guys, this is me Jsk Aimol and welcome to my channels and thank you for supporting me. Today we are going to Bahai Garden as a farewell that my sister Achim and my brother Anix Lanu, they're going to leave Israel and they're going back to India. Here we're looking for the bus platform number. This is the Israeli mall in Haifa as well as bus station, but actually because of the corona and the lockdown they closed everything. I tried to show you but everything is closed, so we went straight to the bus. And today trip is going to be amazing, so keep watching, don't skip the video, watch till the end. Come this side, come this side. And here there is platform number 12, so there will be platform number 13. Some of the shops are open but actually most of them are closed. And here platform number 13, so let's go and wait here. And here the bus came and the bus number is 115. And this is how Israeli bus look like. And here, once you get on the bus, you have to pay $1.5 as a bus fare. Whether it's short distance or long distance, it doesn't matter. If you travel for long distance, you have to pay more money, but the minimum amount that you have to pay when you get inside the bus is $1.5. And this is my friend Ambika and sister Achim and brother Anix. Right now we are on the way to Bahai Garden, and after 5 minutes on the bus, now we reach Bahai Garden. Here. Now let's go out and go to the main gate. I think we have to cross the main road. And hello guys, this is the main entrance to Bahai Garden, which is also in the middle of the garden, but actually it was closed because of the corona, and the gatekeeper told us to go to the top of the garden to get beautiful views and better views. Hello guys, we are on the way to the top of the garden, and here is Miss Ambika.
Hi!
On the taxi.
We are very excited.
Right now we are at the top of the Bahai Garden, and this is the signboard which describes what you should do and what you should not do inside the garden. And here at the gate there is also one signboard. Let's check. And here it says it is closed due to corona, so I hope we are not going to get inside. Wow, it's look like a real heaven here in the North Israel, Haifa, Bahai Garden. From the top views, here you can see the garden and the Haifa city and the sea. The views look so beautiful. Many people come to visit this place, as this place become one of the popular tourist place in Israel. Here, check out. Wow, it's nice, it's beautiful, right? So let's go upside and see what we can see from the upside. Even though we cannot get inside, I will take some footage through a drone where I can show you some part of the garden. So let's go. It looks exactly like heaven. If you come to Israel, you must visit this place. Wow, see the background views. It's amazing and wonderful. It's mind refreshing. Here, let's go and check out. This is the religious Bahai temple. And hello guys, right now I'm at the top of the Bahai Garden. Here the art become very small and I have three ways. Just choose which way to go. Which way? Okay, this way. It's amazing, right? If you want to edit like this, you can comment. I will get back to you. And here the local couples come to visit the park in the evening to get fresh. And here my friend Miss Ambika is taking a picture, and today she seems like she's very happy. Hi Ambika. Okay. Hello guys, now it's time to go back to Tel Aviv, and this time we are decided to go back by Israeli train. Here we hire a taxi, but because of the corona only 2 people are allowed in one taxi, so we asked the driver to call his friend. And here I didn't take out my marks because of the corona. If I take out and the police show me, then I have to pay fines of $500. Wow, it's impossible, so it's better to put marks and it's safety. Here another taxi come, so it's time to go to the Israeli Mall train station, and the taxi fare is 50 shekel, which is equivalent to $18. So let's go. तो अंबिका, आज का ट्रिप कैसे लगा?
आज का ट्रिप बहुत अच्छा लगा। हम लोग भाई गार्डन आए हैं और अभी कोरोना का टाइम है तो सब बंद था, लेकिन हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स लिए हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और हम लोग 2 फ्रेंड को फेयरवेल देने के लिए भी आए हैं, तो उन लोगों के साथ भी हम लोगों ने बहुत इंजॉय किया। अभी वो लोग तो दूसरे टैक्सी में हैं और हम लोग दूसरे में। तो अभी कोरोना टाइम है तो मास्क लगाना ज़रूरी है। प्लीज़ गाइस, अपना सेफ्टी रखो और इंजॉय करो।
Okay, see you at train station. Here I got my ticket and now let's get inside. Come on. It looks similar to Delhi metro, so I'm trying to swipe. But actually it's not working. The Israeli staff, the train staff is very nice. It's telling me what to do. Okay, here we get it. Actually today is the first day that I'm going to ride on Israeli train. It's been a long time that I didn't go by train. So let's see how is Israeli train. We have to go to platform number 2. When I was in New Delhi, I always used to go by metro to work, and I remember that we used to run a lot in metro station. If you are in New Delhi, and you will experience it, I hope so. And here, let's run. This is Indian style. I still have the feeling. Okay, here the platform number 2. But in Israel nobody will run, but I just have the feeling and remember it. It's okay. So now is platform number 2. Here we have to wait the train, and it seems like everybody get tired, and I'm also tired. So here the train comes. Let's go. Hello guys, now let's get inside and check how it looked like inside the Israeli local train. Oh, it's looked nice and wonderful. It's comfortable for a journey.
Shia. Hi friends, Jamson. I'm Ambika. I'm very grateful to have a beautiful friend like you all. As you all know, I'm going back home on 22nd. It's a very harsh to say farewell to everybody, but it's a time to go back home. But it all happened in a very short period that we cannot adjust. I cannot invite everybody, so whoever is with me, we're thankful for you all for your beautiful time spent together. We will always cherish these beautiful memories. And hope to see you again, guys. Be safe. Thanks a lot.
हाय गाइस, हम लोग आज हाइफा गार्डन गए थे और हम लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया। मेरे 2 फ्रेंड भी गए थे, वो फ्रेंड लोग भी यहीं पे हैं। उन लोगों का अभी फेयरवेल है, वो लोग जा रहे हैं इज़राइल से और हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने हाइफा में बहुत एंजॉय किया। थोड़े से फ़ोटो भी क्लिक किए, बस मेमोरी के लिए। और ये लोग जा रहे हैं तो हम लोगों को बुरा भी लग रहा है, लेकिन क्या करें, जाना तो पड़ेगा। और मे भी नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग मिलेंगे, तो यही है। और हाइफा में अगर आप लोग आए तो बहाई गार्डन जाइए, बहुत अच्छा है। आज तो हम लोग का बैड लक था जो हम लोग जा नहीं पाए, वहाँ पे क्लोज़ हो गया और टाइम भी हम लोगों का नहीं मिला, सो ऐसा ही चला है। और क्या बोले, बस यही है। और आप लोग देखते रहिए हमारे जेम्सम का यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अभी कोरोना का टाइम है तो आप लोगों को सेफ्टी भी रहना है, मास्क भी लगाना है, सैनिटाइज़र से आपको हैंड वॉश भी करना है एनी टाइम। ये देखिए मेरे पास सैनिटाइज़र हरदम रहता है, तो आप लोग भी यूज़ कीजिए और थोड़ा अपना सेफ्टी रखिए, अपना फैमिली का सेफ्टी रखिए, ये बहुत अच्छा है। और क्या बोले, थैंक यू। थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को देखा और ढेर सारा प्यार दिया। प्लीज़ मोर डिटेल्स के लिए आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा इस चैनल को, और प्लीज़ मत भूलिए बेल आइकन को हिट करने के लिए। और इससे आप लोगों को नई और भी वीडियोस मिलेंगी, देखने को मिलेगा, आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मोर डिटेल्स के लिए देखते रहिए ये चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी दशहरा एंड हैप्पी दिवाली।